Hello all, myself Professor Amol Nurke, working as an assistant professor in MIT World Peace University. I have completed my graduation from Modern College, Pune in 2012. After that, I completed my post-graduation in mathematics under University of Pune in Department of Mathematics in 2014. I also qualified the SET examination in 2016 for the subject Mathematical Science. I have more than 5 years of experience in the teaching field. In our school, we have more than 60% faculty, those completed their PhD and doing their research in the field of mathematics and statistics. Also, we have more than 90% of faculty, those qualified for SET or NET examination. Talking about admission in the year of academic year 2020-21, we have 40 intake and we conducted PGPET examination for getting an admission. For any information related PGPET, you just visit our website www.mitwpu.edu.in. So in that particular website you will get all the details regarding the admission in the School of Mathematics and Statistics. So the unique feature for that particular school is what we have trimester pattern. So ultimately in the 2 years of that course we have 6 trimester. So in the last trimester we have internship. In that particular we are providing a teaching internship as well as company internship. So those students who have interest in the teaching field, they can join our BTech courses as a teacher under the guidance of our senior faculty, and those wanted to work with the companies, they can join a company internship. Also we have yoga and the rural immersion program in the academic years. So this is the unique feature that MIT World Peace University follow. So I hope you just visit our website, that is www.mitwpu.edu.in for any admission related query, or you can mail me on amol.narke@mitwpu.edu.in. For more reference, I am going to attach one PPT presentation for you people, so you will get the brief information about our School of Mathematics and Statistics.